I would like to invite our respected chairman sir to deliver a speech on life history and achievements of Maharaja Surajmal.
Our respected principal ma'am, principal sir, hardworking and laborious staff members and teachers, and dear students, a very warm good morning to one and all present here.
Good morning, sir.
I hope you all are fine.
Yes, sir.
Dear students, I am here to deliver a speech on the life history and achievements of Maharaja Surajmal Jat. Maharaja Surajmal, who was born on 13th February 1707, that is story of 18th century, was a legendary 18th century ruler of the Bharatpur state in Rajasthan. India, known for his brilliant leadership, military prowess and administrative acumen. Acumen means intelligence. Acumen, he was referred to as the Plato of the Jat community. He was born to Raja Badan Singh and Rani Devki Surajmal was a member of the Sinsri war clan of the Hindu Jats. He demonstrated leadership at age of 26 years by capturing Fatehgarh in year 1733. After succeeding his father, he consolidated the Jat kingdom with his capital at Bharatpur. Now, few key achievements and military prowess of Maharaja Surajmal Jat. Surajmal was considered a master of defensive warfare and an expert diplomat. He built the famous Lohargarh Fort, that is also known as Iron Fort. Lohargarh Fort, dear students, is also known as Iron Fort in year 1732, which was renowned for withstanding multiple attacks by Mughals and later the British. Under his rule, the kingdom spanned modern-day Bharatpur, Agra, Mathura, Aligarh, Hathras, Rewari and parts of Delhi, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. He captured the Mughal garrison. Garrison means fort. Mughal garrison, that is fort, at Agra in year 1761. He also famously attacked and captured Delhi in year 1753. He successfully defended the Kumbher fort in year 1754 against the combined force of 80,000 Mughal and Maratha soldiers at that time. Would you believe that? He was one side and another side there were 80,000 Mughal rulers along with the Maratha kingdom. In year 1757, he defeated the invading forces of Afghan ruler, that is Ahmad Shah Abdali, who is also known as Durrani, preventing him from seizing the region around Bharatpur. He was benevolent ruler as well as Surajmal was known for promoting agriculture, trade and the welfare of farmers, often prioritizing them as a backbone of society. Thank you and have a fantastic Friday.